Introducing SoundPEATS RunFree, the perfect companion for an active lifestyle and work needs, featuring an open-air conduction design with a convenient neckband. RunFree open-air earbuds utilize air conduction technology, distinguishing them from traditional bone conduction alternatives. Unlike bone conduction, which transmits sound through skull vibrations, RunFree open-air earbuds transmit sound through the ear canal in the conventional manner. RunFree open-air earbuds offer similar benefits of bone conduction, providing the advantage of enjoying your music while remaining aware of your environment. This is especially beneficial when you're outdoors, allowing you to safely jog or cycle while staying attentive to potential hazards, such as oncoming vehicles. The RunFree open-air earbuds primarily consist of soft silicone rubber, complemented by a metal speaker grill and a glossy gray plastic faceplate. While the faceplate may resemble a touch control panel, it does not function as one. If you prefer touch controls and appreciate an open-air style, you may want to consider the Air 4 earbuds. Notably, the RunFree are remarkably lightweight, tipping the scales at a mere 31 grams. SoundPEATS has outfitted the RunFree with substantial 16.2mm dynamic drivers, providing commendable mid-bass sound with a touch of sub-bass, albeit not in excessive amounts. Given the on-ear style of the RunFree, which doesn't penetrate the ear canal, the bass retains a satisfying and authentic quality, accompanied by a well-defined soundstage. The sound profile leans toward the high end, emphasizing mid-range and treble notes over the bass. Remarkably, even at maximum volume, the sound remains distortion-free, and the volume level proves sufficient to overcome noisy surroundings. The RunFree air conduction earphones deliver a solid 14 hours of playtime using SBC at 60% volume, which should suffice for extended commutes, workout sessions, or outdoor adventures. The addition of a USB Type-C charging port enhances the convenience of recharging compared to the proprietary magnetic charging found in some other models. Although the battery life is commendable, a slightly longer playtime would have been even more appealing. The RunFree open-air earbuds employ a Bluetooth 5.3 chipset that offers multi-point functionality, along with support for SBC and AAC codecs. However, it's worth noting that they do not support absolute Bluetooth volume control. The multi-point capability, allowing you to connect two devices simultaneously, enhances flexibility and convenience, particularly if you frequently switch between various audio sources. Moreover, the connection stability and speed are exceptionally reliable. The RunFree open-ear earbuds feature 3 tactile rubber buttons that serve multiple functions, including volume control, track navigation, voice assistant activation, call management, answer, end, reject, hold, game mode activation, and play, pause. These buttons have a raised design, ensuring responsiveness and providing a satisfying clicky feel, which contributes to an improved user experience. Additionally, there's a USB-C charging port on the earbuds, cleverly protected by a rubber plug, which is a useful feature to prevent dirt and lint from accumulating in the port. However, one minor drawback of this USB-C port rubber plug is its design. It lacks a swivel hinge, making it unable to move out of the way while charging. As a result, the plug tends to bend backward during charging, ultimately leading to deformation and a compromised seal of the USB-C port. In terms of call quality, it's remarkably impressive for a budget pair of earbuds and surpasses the quality typically found in budget Bluetooth earbuds. The RunFree headphones offer loud and crystal clear call quality, boasting effective noise suppression that effectively blocks background noise from seeping into your calls. The SoundPEATS RunFree headphones are compatible with a mobile app that enables you to monitor battery levels, fine-tune volume settings, and access various functions, including EQ adjustments. Notably, the option to personalize sound profiles through a 10-band EQ is available. It's worth mentioning, though, that the inability to remap touch controls restricts customization options in this regard.